What's up, Jooba people? Welcome to another lesson. This is Blood Bank. Be sure to download the PDF using the link in the description. And we're going to bounce into the song. This is a song for beginners. Very nice. So it gives you some alternate voicings for the key of G and E minor. So we've got this first one, which is a very, very unique E minor chord. Very indie sounding. It's actually E minor / B, but that just would make everything too long. So it sounds a little. It's got that nice B in the bass. Go into a D over A. It's actually a D add 11 and then a C over G. And then a usual G. And then the very simple D over F sharp. You can add this finger if you want. And then E minor. And then C. So a very nice chord there. You see, it seems something was disconnecting. Anyway, okay. So that's it for the chords. Pretty simple chords. The hardest one is probably the E minor. So you can use the traditional E minor. But I like this one more because the which sounds really nice. I really like that. Okay, the strumming pattern just stays on a normal indie pattern: down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Or you could go down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 down. If you want to pick the song, you could use this picking pattern. So that's the first part. P and then P and M, and then P I P M. Anyway, so the picking pattern can work as well. Chord progressions, I'm not going to go over these chord progressions. I'll take you through the, well, these are the core ones, right? So the main one is the intro progression and verses going. So you got the C twice, all right? So 1, 1, 2. And then when it changes, then it's the tag part. And then pre-chorus goes, and I know it well. And that part they kind of repeat at the end of the song, because you obviously know the song. So yeah, the tag is actually the tag and chorus progression. Let me just write that. Okay. And then, yeah, so the song is basic. Just stick to the strumming pattern. Actually, I've shown you everything there is to know. I don't think you want to know more of this. Well, I'll just play the first verse so you get that. 1, 2, 3. Well, I met you at the blood bank. We were looking at the bass, wondering if any other colors, which any other names you want to take. Pretty simple, hey? Said you're looking at yours, stacked on top of the brothers, how they resemble one another, even in their plastic little covers. And I said, I know it well, that secret that you know. You get the idea. All right, so download the PDF. It's all there. And I will see you in another lesson. That was a really quick one, actually. But yeah, have a nice day. Really nice indie sounding song. I've got some indie chord collections that you can check out. There's I think a free one available on my website. Go check the links in the description. It'll be there. Have a nice day, guys. Goodbye.